Good morning, students. Now we have seen the theory of criteria of congruency of triangles. So now let's go to exercise 7.2. Now first question you see, which congruence criterion do you see in the following? We have seen in the theory there are 4 types of congruency, criteria for congruency. What are those? SSS congruency criterion. SSS means side, side, side congruence criterion. Second one, SAS congruence criterion. SAS means side, angle, side. Then third one, ASA congruence criterion, angle, side, angle criterion. Then fourth is RHS. RHS means right angle, hypotenuse side congruence criterion. Now here we have seen in the theory part. See, now they have given here in first main, you see there are 4. They have given figures also. By seeing that one you have to find out which congruence criterion do you see. Now first one you see given AC is equal to DF they have given. Here you see A, B, C, D, E, F they have given. AC is equal to DF. Yeah. Now here you see AB is equal to DE. AB is equal to DE. BC is equal to EF. So angle ABC is congruent to DEF. Now you see ABC, DEF. AB is, what is this one? It is a side. DE is also side. This will be equal to this. BC is, this also is one side, line segment. So BC is equal to EF. So when this side is equal, this side and this side is equal, and this side and this side is equal. So angle ABC is congruent to angle DEF. So this which criterion do we see? All sides, 3 sides only it is. So what is this criterion? First one is SSS congruence criterion. So now first one. Exercise 7.2. First main, A is SSS criterion, congruence criterion. Now second one you see, when you write you have to draw the diagrams also, students. I am just writing you the answers. You can draw the diagram and you can write answer as first one is SSS congruence criterion. Now second one you see ZX is equal to RP. Here they have given 2 triangles again, RPQ ZXY. ZX is equal to RP. ZX is equal to RP. Then RQ is equal to ZY. Then angle PRQ is equal to angle XZY. So angle PQR is congruent to angle XYZ. So now first one we have seen it is SSS criterion. Second one you see here, this is also is a triangle. Here they have given angle PRQ is equal to angle XZY. RQ is a side, okay, is equal to ZY. ZX is equal to RP. Then angle PRQ is equal to angle XZY. There is one angle also here. So what can you say? 2 sides are there and 1 angle is there. So 2 sides plus angle. What is that congruence criterion? It is nothing but it is SAS congruence criterion. SAS means what? Side, angle, side. So second one is B is SAS congruence criterion. Then you see C1 given angle MLN is equal to angle FGH. Here they have given LMN, FGH. 2 triangles are given again. You see MLN is equal to FGH. Then angle LMN is equal NML is equal to FH. ML is equal to FG. So angle LM, triangle LMN is equal to is congruent to triangle GFH. Then what is this triangle? How many angles are here? 2 angles are there and one side is there. So it becomes ASA congruence criterion. C. ASA congruence criterion. So now D, you see, given EB is equal to DB, A is equal to BC, angle A is equal to angle C is equal to 90 degree. So angle ABE is congruent to angle CDB. See here you have two triangles. Actually by seeing this itself you can tell which angle is there. Already here 90 degree is there. So 90 degree means it is right angle triangle. So this both are hypotenuse. So DB, EB is equal to DB. AE is equal to BC. Then angle A, angle C is equal to, this both are 90 degree. So it is which criterion? RHS criterion. So this is the first main. Now second main, you see here. You want to show that angle ART is congruent to angle triangle PEN. Here you see one triangle is ART, another one is PEN. Now here if you have to use SSS criterion, SSS means what? Side criterion, then you need to show. Now here you have AR. Now AR is equal to what here? You see sides means I have already shown you in the exercise 7.2 first main also. First problem it is SSS. So AR will be equal to PE. Second one AR is equal to PE. B you see RT. RT means it will be equal to EN. Then see AT. AT means here what is there? PN. So now B you see, if it is given that angle T is equal to angle N and you have to use SAS criterion. SAS means side angle side. Sides are there and here if they are keeping angle. You need to have RT. RT means this RT when you keep it is equal to EN. And second one PN. PN is equal to what here? AT. Then C you see here. If it is given that AT is equal to PN and you have to use ASA criterion, you need to have ASA means angle side angle. We need to have. Now suppose now we are taking AT is equal to PN. According to ASA criterion, then what angle it will be? RAT is equal to PEPN. Angle RAT is equal to angle EPN. Now second one what we can do? This is first one. Then second one what will be there? ATR is equal to PNE. Angle PNE. So I hope students, if you are able to understand the criterions, it is very easy to solve the problems. So now in exercise 7.2 we have solved two mains. Then in the next class we can see third main. Thank you students.